Are old labels keeping you stuck? Here's how to finally let them go. Welcome back to your guiding star. Today's topic is something we all carry: labels. The names, roles, and stories that shape how we see ourselves, and sometimes limit us. This is shedding old labels, part of the identity phase in your guiding star path trademark. Why it matters. Old labels might feel safe, but they can become cages. You are not just a procrastinator, overthinker, or people pleaser. You're not bound by your past. Here's how to start shedding them. Identify the label. Write down one label you want to release. Be honest. Where did it come from? Challenge the belief. Ask, is it true, always true, or just familiar? Most labels were inherited, not chosen. Replace with a new identity. Who are you becoming? Try I used to be. Now I choose to be. The result? By releasing old labels, you make space to grow into the person you're meant to become. If this video helped you step into a new identity, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop a comment. I am becoming. And complete the sentence.